NA gang. I'm back again once again with another lit banger. Amanda, she just went in the shower. She taking a shower, right? I'm about to put baby powder in her blow dryer because she washing her hair right now. So you already know, man, he got the baby powder. I'm about to sneak up in the bathroom and grab her blow dryer. You already know, man, make sure you like, comment, sub to the channel, man. Turn your post notifications on because every time NA gang drop them what? Them lit bangers. Y'all be notified, man. Let's go, man. We on the road to 50K. Get us there, man. And hashtag Team April. Watch this whole video because it's about to go down, NA gang. It's about to go down. So I'm about to sneak up in the bathroom right now. I'm finna grab our blow dryer. We finna get it on and pop. I gotta hurry up. I gotta hurry before she turn off the water, before she be like, damn, where my blow dryer go? NA gang. Let's go. Spam in the comment section right now. Stuttering. Spam in the comment section right now. Team April, man. Let's go. We about to get into this video. I'm about to put baby powder in there. I'm finna set y'all up real quick. I'm nervous. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna put y'all right here real quick. I'm about to grab the baby powder. I'm about to put a lot of it. Y'all see this? I did it wrong. I was supposed to put it in here. Oh, it's coming out on the other goddamn side. Oh, snap. Oh, my God. I messed up. I think I did. Y'all see that? It's baby powder in there. Make sure you like, comment, all that good stuff, man. Hashtag Team April in the comment section. Follow me on Instagram, April_414_ all that good stuff. And I'm finna set the camera up. And we finna get into this grading as soon as... Yeah, we finna get into this video. Let's go.
Oh, I should have never got this. Because I got that pink stuff all over my hair. It'll probably come out. From that towel thing I bought from the dollar store? Yeah. Yeah, I gotta wash it. I should have washed it first and then did it.
Hey, I'm nervous. Nothing.
What you say?
Nothing.
That man said nothing slick.
Nothing.
What you say?
I said I'm nervous.
What you nervous
I don't know.
for? Oh, you got a proof?
It feel like it a little bit.
You said what?
It feel like it a little bit.
You want me to blow dry first and then turn it on.
Babe, are you serious?
It's snowing.
It's not fucking snowing.
It's snowing. We got winter in August.
April, really?
Hell no.
Really?
The weather be tripping.
Why would you just do that?
The weather be tripping.
April, really?
Babe, is a leak through our roof or something? It's snowing.
Why would you put that in my
Snow
blow dryer, April?
Snow got on you, babe? It's snowing. God
Really?
damn.
Look at my hair. Why would...
I'm about to fuck you up, y'all. Really? I'm
What?
really about to beat your ass, April.
It was snowing, babe. It's the weather. It's the weather.
Alright, watch. When I get this off.
Hey, it's the weather.
Stuff on my eyes, I'm about to fuck you up for real. Cause this, you know.
Come on! Why was you doing that? And you know I just got done washing my hair. Alright, I'm about to...
It was the weather again. What's that fuck? Babe, it was the
I'm about
weather.
to fuck you up. Move.
Babe,
Let me get my
no.
towel. Get my towel. Get my
Let's
towel.
come over there.
I'm finna fuck you up.
Hey,
I swear to God, I'm about to fuck you up. Cause why would you do
I thought
that?
it was snowing.
And I just washed my hair.
It was snowing.
Why would you do that? And I just
You didn't
washed
know
my
that?
hair? Why would you do
It's
that?
snowing
Why
outside.
would you do that?
It's snowing.
It's not
Holy
Look
shit.
at the bathroom.
The
You
roof is
stupid.
on fire.
No, why would you do that? Look at all my stuff.
Babe, it's snow.
It's not snowing.
I can't control the weather.
Oh my God, really, April?
I thought it was snow. I swear I did. I swear. But I'm thinking like, it's summertime.
No,
It's
it did not snow. You put freaking my blow dryer is damaged.
Who?
My blow dryer is damaged. I'm not doing nothing.
It's damaged?
Move. 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 Move.
Okay.
Dang,
Okay,
why would you-
chill.
Bye. Get out. Why was you in my face? Why? What's the point?
You taking all damn day. I had to do something.
I was just in the shower. April, get on my face, yo.
No, babe, you can't.
You did the dumbest stuff. Stop touching me.
It's snow.
Why would you just do that knowing I just washed my hair?
It was snowing.
It's not snowing. Stop saying it.
What the fuck is it?
I swear to God. All right, bet.
Well, okay.
All right, bet.
Damn, what? Try to
Clean it up.
Try to
Clean it up.
I'm not cleaning it up.
Clean it up. Clean it up.
Oh my
Clean
God.
it
You
up.
mad? You mad now?
I just got out the shower, April. Look at my hair.
Oh my God.
It's
Oh
not
my God.
funny. Why would you do that?
Probably need to
Wash
just
my
get back
stuff
in.
off. Come on.
I'm not. No.
Yes, and you about to buy me
The
a new
weather.
blow dryer.
I'm
Like,
not
really?
weather, man.
You
Cause I'm loving
childish.
snow on me, girl.
I swear you're dumb.
Oh,
Clean
God.
it up, come on, so I can blow dry my
It's
hair.
a fire. Get the fuck out. It's a fire, girl. The
It's
dust.
not a fire.
Which one is it? Snow or dust?
Which one are you,
Or fire.
dumb or slow? Or retarded?
Boo. Oh, God damn it. I cracked it. I cracked something.
Okay, can you crack your ass to the store and give me a new blow dryer?
Yeah.
Like, you're stupid. Really? Move, stop touching me, for real, stop.
I'm done. I'm done.
Now I gotta wash my hair all over again.
Oh, you just got out the shower. I
Move,
apologize.
April. Okay, move.
I apologize.
Okay, move. Move, for real.
Who fucked you up?
Leave me alone, April.
Babe, who messed you
Leave me
up?
alone.
Who messed you up? I don't care.
You should care, April, because I just washed my hair. Like,
I
come
don't
on now.
I don't think that shit did. I don't think it did enough.
What are you talking
I
about?
don't think. Pick that back up and see.
April, you
Try
sound
to see if
stupid.
it's more powder.
No.
I want
it's-
powder to be all over you.
Yeah, but I don't think I can use it. Yeah, I don't think I can use April, are you
It's not.
Stop!
It's not.
Are you serious?
Oh shit.
Why would you just pour baby powder on me?
Girl, get out. It's a fire. Oh shit, it's baby powder. It's a fire. Get out, babe. It's a fire. Stop, drop, and roll.
Now it's really in my hair.
Stop, drop, and roll.
That
You
was
stop
really in my
making it
hair.
drop and roll. Come on, drop and roll, motherfucker. Come on, drop and roll. Drop. Stop. Drop. Roll. Come on, roll.
God, you're stupid.
Roll. Come on, babe.
Why would you just do that? Look at
Roll.
that.
It's a fire.
You just poured baby powder on me. How is there a fire? Where do you
Oh.
see a fire?
The smoke.
Stop, April, the bathroom. You're cleaning this shit up. I'm not cleaning.
It's slow.
April, come on now.
Okay, okay,
Oh
okay.
my God, you just
Okay,
ruined
I'm
my
done.
whole day, yo. For real,
Okay,
you just
who?
ruined my whole day.
Ooh, who cleaned up this damn bathroom? You?
You just
Not
ruined
me.
my whole day. Yo, really?
This ain't nothing.
April, I swear to God, do not.
This ain't
You
nothing.
stop, for real.
This is not nothing, girl.
All right, get out. I gotta get back in the shower.
Babe.
Clean this up so I can get in the shower.
Okay. Let me see.
It's coming out the bottom.
I'm finna put it on my head.
Can you stop? You're.
Oh shit.
Why are you playing, April? Stop for.
Oh shit. Push him out. Pull him out. Cover my don't get
You
fed.
stop. You're really making me mad now.
Oh, let me see.
blast
I'm finna really.
Can you stop?
Okay, I'm finna really do it.
Look at
I'm
the
finna really
back. Do what?
I'm finna really do it.
Do it to yourself. Bruh, you're childish. I swear to God,
Okay.
bruh.
Okay. Ooh.
Like, why would you
I'm
just
done.
do all of
What the
that?
fuck? It's snowing. It's snowing.
Oh my God, you're annoying. Get out. Just get.
I'm
No
sorry,
way,
babe. I
I'm
have to
gonna
get.
go, bro.
It's a prank.
No, it's not.
Yes, it
I
is.
just got out the shower.
Now get your dirty ass back in. Come on. Come on, I'm finna put you back in. You wanna take a bath or a shower?
Yo,
Or a whole bath? You wanna take a whole bath? Okay, you wanna take the whole
Hey,
bath,
look
I
at my
guess.
hair.
Okay. Oh, shit.
Look at my hair.
Oh.
Are you serious
Girl,
right now?
it's dusty.
For a prank?
He got in my motherfucking head. Oh, hell no.
You're dumb.
Hey, okay. I'm
For
done.
a prank, you're stupid.
Ooh, girl, I'm about to lift your back. Alright, babe, it's a
The
prank.
bathroom is smoking.
Damn, you damn right. Get the fuck out. It's a fire. Babe, it's a fire. Get your shit and go, bitch. Get your shit and go. It's a fire. It's a fire. Come on. Come on, it's a
Let
fire.
me go.
Fire.
It's not a fire.
It is.
Oh my God, April, really?
It's a fire, look. It's a fire.
Why
Don't
you
drop
keep-
your roll.
Why do you keep doing
It's
that?
a fire, girl.
It's not
Don't
a
ask some questions.
fire.
Get the fuck out.
Really?
Okay. It's not a fire. It's powder. It's snow too. It's like a mixture.
Come on, so I can get back in the shower now. How you gonna get all this smoke
The
out?
smoke. Damn.
How you gonna get the smoke
I
out?
don't know.
Then come out so I can get in.
Come here, mom. You can't breathe.
Stop touching me now, bro. I'm not playing no more.
This shit.
You do the dumbest pranks,
my mouth.
though. I swear.
No.
This gotta go in the garbage. You're dumb.
It's too smoky in here, babe. Oh, hell.
It gotta go in the garbage. You don't think before you.
Okay, babe. Don't say that, cause I'm ready to mess you up. All right, I'm done. Come clean this up, babe.
No, I'm not gonna clean nothing up. Clean my stuff.
You still talking stuff?
Move, April.
All right. Yep. All right, go clean it up.
Whoa, give me
Girl,
the baby
no.
powder. No, I'm not going there.
Well, girl, I know it's a fire. I don't want you to come here. I don't want you to get burnt. I don't want you to be on fire. I like fireballs.
Come on, April.
Okay. Now, where to clean up at? The whole bathroom?
You acting dumb as
Okay.
hell. Come on.
Damn, come on, help me clean. You just standing there. No, you trying to
Come
grab.
on,
you
stop. It's not even
You
funny
trying to
no
grab the
more.
baby powder.
No, I'm not. I'm trying to get in
You
the
trying to
shower
grab
and
the
clean this
baby
stuff up.
Okay, get in the shower.
I'm not getting in.
You need to wash your
Clean
ass.
up.
Okay.
I washed my ass.
Oh, you need to get redo.
Give me the baby powder. Give it to
no,
me.
you trying to mess me up.
Can you give it? I'm not gonna do it on you. Come on. You're
Come on.
annoying. I'm gonna go. You're annoying as hell, yo. I swear. You're annoying.
Get him in the comment section right now. Teammate, come on, let's go.
You're annoying. Like, what was the point of doing that? For a little ass prank? I don't care. You did it for a prank.
Babe, it's a prank. She mad. Like, comment, sub to the channel, man. Turn your post notifications on, because every time A and that game drop them lit bangers, y'all to be notified, man. Hashtag teammate in the comment section, because it was a lit banger, man.
Okay,
Yeah.
come on, so I can get back
Yeah.
in the shower.
Come here. Let's show them. She mad. Scratch your butt and get it glad. Watch this whole video. You already know, man. Follow us on Instagram, YouTube, everything in the link in the description down below, man. Follow us everywhere. Let's go TikTok everywhere. Let's go, and again, run it up.